If you're someone who fantasizes on becoming a better version of themselves, whether it is someone who plays multiple instruments or works out every day or has a certain career that you think is really cool, this video is for you. We're going to be going over how you can start living the life you want now. Disclaimer that this is not a fix-all for systemic issues like racism, homophobia, etc. I wish that I had a solution for that. Not today, but I will be talking about individualistic sorts of ways that you can jumpstart where you want to be with your career or habits or mindsets. So this new mindset showed itself to me in 3 different places, which was kind of weird. I'm going to link these videos down below, but the first one is a TED Talk by Ruth Chang called How to Make Hard Choices. If you know anything about me, I'm someone who is very indecisive, so this was really helpful. The second video is called Why Your Life is So Boring by Better Ideas, and that is a really awesome video I would also recommend checking out. And the last video, I can't find it again, which sucks. It was on TikTok. And it is, from my memory, called How to Be a Secure Woman, and it is just speaking to women about how they can build more confidence and security in themselves, and I just thought there was a lot of really great transferable notes in there. So in all the videos that I just listed, these are the things that are the same throughout. We want to be looking towards the person that we want to be and using that as a guide on how we should be thinking, behaving, and acting. We must train as an Olympic skater would if we want to become one, or we must speak to ourselves with love and self-respect as someone who practices self-compassion would. It all comes down to mindset, so you don't need to take on a certain regiment or a schedule of the person or the persona that you have in your head. For example, if you want to build more arm muscle, maybe the persona that you take on is a professional bodybuilder. You don't necessarily have to take on the schedule or regiment of a bodybuilder where they are working out for 8 hours, I'm assuming, but you can take on the mindset of having a diet that supports the kind of growth that you're looking towards, consistent working out, and proper form. Those are really important things and a mindset that a professional athlete or bodybuilder would have. So recently I have used this in a very small part of my life, but I like to game. I like playing this game called Splatoon 2. It is a third-person shooter on the Nintendo Switch. And you can get particularly good at the game. You can get all the way up to X rank. So that essentially means that you are a very, very good player. You go from
C, B, A, S, S1 to 9.
And then X rank. And I'm currently at A. So I still have a long way to go. But I've just been having a really hard time getting out of A rank. And the other day when I was hesitant on practicing or playing any of the games because I didn't want to fail, I thought about what would an X ranker do, or what would a competitive player of this game do. And what I told myself is that they would not back down from practicing or getting repetitions in. They would do their best, and they would take any failure as an experience and as a way to continue getting better, and understand that progression is not linear, understand that getting to X rank is a journey, and there are failures in that journey. And I ranked up a little bit, so that was really cool. I think that's just a small example of how you can use it in your day-to-day life. This mindset has been helping me, and I hope it helps you even a little bit, or just think about who you want to be and how you can get to the next version of yourself. And if you are thinking about that person, I hope you don't give up on becoming the person that you want to be, because I do think that we can all be super proud of ourselves, and we deserve to be proud of ourselves. And whatever that means to you, I hope that you find that. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you'd like to see more of my content, and I hope to see you sometime in the future on YouTube, on social media, somewhere, and I hope you're doing well and staying safe. All right, love you all. Bye.